Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful card for Father's Day. To begin, gather your crafting essentials. You'll need sturdy cardstock, a good pair of scissors, and a few types of adhesive like glue sticks and double-sided tape. Think about your dad's favorite colors or hobbies to inspire your material choices. Having a variety of decorative papers, stickers, and colorful markers will give you many creative options. Now, let's personalize your card's design. Start by folding your chosen cardstock perfectly in half. A bone folder can help achieve a crisp crease. Before you start gluing, lightly sketch out your main design elements with a pencil. Consider adding a small drawing of his favorite sports team logo, a tiny tool, or even a miniature representation of his beloved pet. This personal touch makes the card truly special. To make your card truly stand out, let's add some unique embellishments. Try layering different textures, perhaps a piece of felt over patterned paper, to create depth. For an extra surprise, incorporate a simple pop-up mechanism inside the card, or attach a small three-dimensional object like a button or a tiny charm. A small, cherished photograph or a heartfelt hand-drawn portrait of your dad will also add immense sentimental value. For the final touches, carefully assemble all your decorative pieces onto the card, ensuring everything is securely attached. Take your time to write a heartfelt and personal message inside. Express your love, gratitude, and perhaps a favorite memory you share with your dad. Make sure all elements are firmly in place and the card looks polished and complete. Your beautiful, handmade card is now ready to bring a huge smile to his face.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.